To open MetaTrader 5 on your PC, you will need to have the platform installed on your computer. If you have not installed it yet, you can download the installation file from the official MetaTrader 5 website. Once you have downloaded the file, run the installation package and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installing MetaTrader 5, you can open the platform by double-clicking on the MetaTrader 5 icon on your desktop. If you cannot find the icon on your desktop, you can search for MetaTrader 5 in the Start menu and click on the application to open it. When you open MetaTrader 5 for the first time, you will be prompted to open a demo account or log in to an existing account. If you are new to MetaTrader 5, you can open a demo account to practice trading with virtual funds. To open a demo account, click on the File menu and select Open Account. Then select Demo Account and fill in the required information. If you already have a live or demo account, you can log into your account by clicking on the File menu and selecting Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number and password, and select the server you want to connect to. Once you have logged into your account, you will see the MetaTrader 5 interface, which includes the MarketWatch window, the Navigator window, and the Chart window. The MarketWatch window displays the current prices of financial instruments. The Navigator window displays your accounts and scripts, and the Chart window displays the price charts of financial instruments. To start trading, you can click on the New Order button in the toolbar or press the F9 key on your keyboard. This will open the Order window, where you can select the financial instrument you want to trade, set the volume and price, and select the type of order you want to place. It is recommended to familiarize yourself with the MetaTrader 5 platform and practice trading with a demo account before trading with real funds. This will help you to understand the platform and reduce the risk of making mistakes when trading with real funds.